Within the last couple of hours, a Houston County judge declared the murder trial of Kiana Davis as a mistrial. Davis is accused of killing her 2-year-old son, Carter Ambrose. She faces 7 charges, including malice murder, felony murder, cruelty to children, and aggravated assault. Elizabeth Hunter was in the courtroom as that decision was made. Elizabeth, can you explain what led up to that decision?
Yeah, Lori, honestly, it was a pretty chaotic day in the newsroom. A bunch of back and forth, a bunch of note passing between the judge and the jury. When the jury came back from lunch at 1:30, they automatically asked to watch a 1-hour video that was investigators talking to Kiana Davis, trying to determine and establish a timeline leading up to her son's passing. After that, they went back into deliberations, and just an hour later at 3:30, the judge sent a note to the jury asking if they had been able to come to any decisions on any of the 7 counts. They sent a note back saying they might be able to come to a decision on count 7, which was cruelty to children, but not even 30 minutes later, a little bit before 4, they sent a note to the judge saying they just were not going to come to a decision. She then brought the jury in, as I said, a little bit before 4 and declared the trial a mistrial. Now, I was able to put a couple of sound bites together for y'all to take a look at what happened earlier in the day because deliberations started at 9 a.m. So take a listen to that.
The jury has sent out a note that they are deadlocked. They did not include a count. I am inclined, obviously I will charge them.
4 days into the trial of Kiana Davis, and the jury found themselves in a deadlock. Deliberations picked up Friday morning at 9. At 10:30, the jury asked to rewatch body cam footage from Officer Matthew Whitell. The video showed Officer Whitell interviewing Davis. At around 11:30, the jury sent a note to the judge saying they were at a deadlock. The judge sent a note back asking what counts they were deadlocked on.
Count 1, it was 3-9. Count 2, 4-8. Count 3-9-3. Count 4, 1-11. Count 5-7-5. Count 6-7-5. Count 7-11-1.
After reading this, the judge brought the jury in and Allen charged them. This means the judge gave extra instruction to the jury, encouraging them to continue their deliberations and avoid a mistrial.
The case has been exhaustively tried by both sides. It's been submitted to you for decision and verdict if possible and not for disagreement. It's the law that a unanimous verdict is required.
And as we know, despite the judge's encouragement, it was still declared a mistrial. The judge asked the state to consider retrying the case in November. Live in Perry, Elizabeth Hunter, 13 WMAZ News.
Thank you, Elizabeth. Keon Benton, Davis's ex-boyfriend, also faces charges and will be tried separately. If you want to see longer clips from court, stream now on our 13 WMAZ Plus app. Download it on your TV and watch for free. It will be in the Watch Carousel.